Walking on a rainy day, I passed by this interesting monument at the Santa Monica Airport. There's virtually no one out here. I have the park all to myself. This is just great. The air is fresh. It's a little wet, but it's very nice actually for LA. We need the rain. So here we are. This is the demonstrative garden. As you can see, there are a lot of native plants here. It's a sustainable landscape that creates a private sanctuary with soothing water feature that invites butterflies, birds, and bees. Designed by Marion Simon. Poetic paintings installed by Terraform Inc. This is great. Sustainable Santa Monica. Relax. Relaxed garden. Helps you really feel relaxed here. This is great. Ooh, I see something looks like tomatoes to me. They're quite green, so hopefully they'll be ready soon. And these look like pepper. Very cool. Of course, all edible. I wonder if I could harvest some of this.